In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Excel using keyboard, Excel shortcut key in computer. Let's begin. So the shortcut keys to merge cells is Alt plus O plus M. This method can be used on Windows computers. And for Macs, it's going to be Ctrl plus Option plus O plus M. So you're going to find the cells that you want to merge. I'm going to use date and ID, simply highlight, then select Ctrl O, then M. Then it's going to give you the option which says merge all, merge vertically, or merge horizontally. I'm going to say merge horizontally. And it's going to say heads up, merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. Merge anyway, say don't show again for 5 minutes, select OK. As you can see, the two cells have been combined and merged. Now let's say that we want to merge vertically. I'm going to use the second column over here. Then I'll select the entire column. Then I'll highlight the column. Then select Alt O plus M. Alt plus O plus M. Then it's going to say merge all or merge vertically. I'm going to say merge vertically. And as you can see there, the cells have all been merged. And it's that easy. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.